Hey everyone, you're struggling to keep track of your finances. Bills piling up, subscriptions you forgot about, and a general sense of financial chaos. Hook. Ever wished you could have a financial superhero by your side, someone who could magically organize your finances and help you save money? Well, I'm here to tell you that superhero might already exist, and it's called Rocket Money. Building context. Rocket Money is a powerful financial tool that can help you track your spending, identify savings opportunities, and even negotiate bills on your behalf. But what if you want to share this financial superhero with someone you trust, like your partner or a family member? In this video, we're going to dive into the process of sharing your Rocket Money account. Whether you're looking to collaborate on joint finances or simply want to give someone a helping hand, this guide will show you how to do it easily and securely. Main content. Step 1. Access your account settings. The first step is to log into your Rocket Money account and navigate to your settings. Once you're there, look for an option that says Account Sharing or something similar. Click on it to proceed. Step 2. Invite a user. You'll be presented with a screen where you can invite another user to your account. Enter the email address of the person you want to invite. You can also add a personalized message to let them know why you're inviting them. Step 3. Set permissions. Once you've sent the invitation, the invited user will receive an email with a link to accept. Once they accept, you'll need to set their permissions. This will determine what they can see and do within your account. Consider the level of access you want to grant them. Do you want them to have full control over your finances, or do you want to limit their access to certain areas? Step 4. Review and confirm. Before finalizing the invitation, review the permissions you've set. Make sure everything is correct and that you're comfortable with the level of access you're granting. Once you're satisfied, confirm the invitation. Additional tips. Communicate clearly. Before sharing your account, have a conversation with the invited user about your expectations and boundaries. Discuss what you want them to help you with and what you're comfortable sharing. Review regularly. Periodically review the permissions you've granted to the invited user. As your financial situation or relationship with them changes, you may need to adjust their access. Consider security. If you're sharing your account with someone you don't know well, be mindful of security risks. Avoid sharing sensitive information like passwords or account numbers directly. Conclusion. Sharing your Rocket Money account can be a great way to collaborate on your finances and get the support you need. By following these simple steps, you can easily invite someone to your account and set the appropriate permissions. Remember to communicate clearly and review permissions regularly to ensure a smooth and secure experience. Call to action. Have you tried Rocket Money yet? If not, now is the perfect time to start. With its powerful features and easy-to-use interface, Rocket Money can help you take control of your finances and achieve your financial goals. Outro. With that said, thanks for watching. If you have any questions or need further assistance, feel free to leave a comment below. Until next time, happy saving.